in 2006.
That's nice. Were you born near the fort in Calabao?
No, I wasn't. I was born in a small hospital closer to the beach.
I wasn't born in Galapagos. I was born in Puerto Viejo in 2006.
I was born in Guaranda in 2006 too.
Oh, by the way, who is your favorite singer, Tina?
My favorite singer is Bruno Mars. I was born in 1905.
Oh, cool. My favorite singer is Eladio Carrion. He was born in 1994.
Nice. My favorite singer is Liz Conley. She was born in 1996.
Great. Choices were born in 2006, but all singers were born in different years. Yes, that's true. Music was, is,